Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Hala Amir and I'm back with a new video. In this video, this is a very scary video because in this video, I'm gonna be telling you about the catacombs of Paris. And you know, it's a place that is known as the Empire of Death. So let's get started. Paris may be known as the City of Light, but it hides a dark and disturbing history. Underneath the city, there is a gigantic honeycomb of tunnels. The system is a giant maze, and no one knows quite how many tunnels or chambers there are out there. That's how big it is. Paris is, after all, a very old city that has been built and rebuilt many times. What we do know is that there are at least 320 kilometers, that's about 200 miles of tunnels under the city. It's a literal maze. These tunnels and chambers are what is left of rock quarries that used to be on the outskirts of the city. Much of the limestone that built the city was extracted from these mines. But as the city grew, it expanded to where the quarries were and quarries had to be abandoned. The French resistance used this tunnel during World War II, and rave parties flourished there during the 1990s. Victor Hugo used his knowledge about the tunnel system when he wrote Les Miserables in 1871. Communards killed a group of monarchists in one chamber. Yet in this maze of tunnels, one part open to the public, which is known as the famous catacombs of Paris. The catacombs of Paris were created at the end of the 18th century. As the century filled up and had to be moved outside the city, a portion of the tunnel was turned into an ossuary. Ossuary is a place where human skeletons are stored. Let's continue. A portion of the tunnels was turned into an ossuary that contains the remains of millions of Persians who were gradually transferred here between the late 18th and mid 19th centuries. And the fun fact is, the bones were always moved at night to a ceremony made up for a procession of priests who sang along the way to the catacombs. At first, they were deposited in a rather haphazard manner at the ossuary simply piled up. Eventually, the bones were organized and displayed in the way that we see them today. Since the first day they were complete, the catacombs have been an object of curiosity. Even for royalty, in 1787, Lord of Artois, who became King Charles X, went down there with the ladies from the court. In 1814, Francois I, Emperor of Austria, went to visit and explore them while he was in Paris. In 1860, Napoleon III went there with his son. The catacomb walls are also covered in graffiti dating from the 18th century. Everyone has left their mark on this place. Towards the end of the 18th century, the catacombs became a tourist attraction and have been open to the public on a regular basis from 1867. In the dark galleries and narrow passages, you will see bones arranged in a macabre display. Catacombs are eerie. They are quite dark, damp, and a bit downright depressing. There are lots of bones around. The most of them are just stacked up on each other. You will never know who is. That skull you are looking at could be someone who died from the plague or be a wealthy aristocrat. You never know. People have visited this site always find it super creepy yet super impressive. They have been to many usual places over the years, but they find Catacomb of Paris one of the best. The history is fascinating, and you can see the markings and initials from the centuries of visitors on the wall. Lastly, let me tell you some interesting facts about the Catacombs of Paris. The depth of catacomb is equivalent to a 5-story building. The area is 2 kilometers long. It takes at least 45 minutes to explore the catacombs. The consistent temperature in the catacomb is 14 Celsius. The surface area of the ossuary is 11,000 square meters. There are over 6 million dead Persians here. Both signed in WW to use the catacombs from clandestine operations. The Germans built hidden bunkers with the French resistance using the tunnel for navigating the city unopposed. There are secret unmapped people pools in the catacombs that explorers visit and swim in. Caution, but people have also gotten lost down here and died. So if you go over there, don't go exploring by yourself. This was my video. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. And if you will give me almost 30 to 40 subscribers, so I will make another interesting and more interesting than this video in the coming days or in the coming months. I hope you like this video. Allah Hafiz.